Hi there! Welcome to the green paradise in the middle of the Atlantic, the Azores. I'm Renata DeLuca, and I live on São Miguel Island, right here in this beautiful archipelago. On this YouTube channel, I share tips on what to do, where to eat, and where to stay. In this video, you'll discover the 10 most stunning viewpoints you simply can't miss when you visit São Miguel, all hand-picked by me. Get ready for breathtaking landscapes, insider tips, and experiences you'll definitely want to add to your next trip. And if you'd like to see more content like this, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe. Grota do Inferno. Let's start with a classic, the Grota do Inferno viewpoint, one of the most iconic postcards of the Azores. The view here is simply surreal. The Sete Cidades lagoons surrounded by a lush volcanic crater, perfect for panoramic shots. And how about taking a buggy or quad tour around the volcano's crater? The link is in the description. Nossa Senhora da Paz. At 215 meters above sea level, this viewpoint offers a breathtaking view of the Atlantic Ocean and the little islet of Vila Franca do Campo. In the summer, make sure to visit the islet itself, whether by boat or kayak, and explore this unique natural wonder. Ponta do Sossego. One of the most beautiful viewpoints on the island, the Ponta do Sossego viewpoint features a well-maintained garden, parking, restrooms, and a picnic area. From here, you get a stunning view of the island's northeast coast. Here's a tip from Azores GPS. It's also an amazing spot to catch the sunrise. Pico da Barrosa. Pico da Barrosa viewpoint sits at 947 meters above sea level and offers an incredible view of Lagoa de Fogo. And if you're looking for an even more unforgettable experience, you can even fly over the lagoon on a paragliding or paratrike. Check out the video description for more info. Santa Iria. The Santa Iria viewpoint offers a stunning panoramic view of the coastline and the Atlantic Ocean. It's very easy to access with parking available and a ramp for people with reduced mobility.
Rosto de Cão. Just a few minutes from downtown Ponta Delgada, the Rosto de Cão viewpoint showcases an impressive rock formation. From here, you can see the city, the coastline, and of course the islet itself. Pico do Ferro. This is definitely one of the most beautiful viewpoints in the Azores. From about 570 meters above sea level, it offers a breathtaking view of Furnas Lake with its fumaroles and hot springs, as well as the charming little village below. It's located about 40 kilometers from Ponta Delgada, and getting there by car is super easy. Plus, there's a parking area right at the viewpoint. It's important to know that the best way to explore all these places is by renting a car. Public transportation in the Azores is quite limited, and at the moment, there are no fast travel services available on the island. Your options are taking a taxi, joining shared or private tours, or renting a car and exploring the island at your own pace. You can rent a car on any of the islands through the Azores GPS website, azoresgps.com/rent-a-car. Miradouro do Pisão. The Pisão viewpoint offers a beautiful panoramic view over the Caloura area and the southern coast of São Miguel, a landscape that looks completely different when seen from down below. It also has a parking area and an access ramp for people with reduced mobility. Ponta do Escalvado. Built on top of a cliff, the Ponta do Escalvado viewpoint is one of the best spots to take in the ocean and enjoy a breathtaking sunset. From here, you get an amazing view of the Mosteiros islets, a spot that's very popular both among locals and visitors for watching the sunset right from the beach. Vista do Rei. And now, last but definitely not least, the Vista do Rei viewpoint, named after King Carlos I of Portugal, who visited this spot back in 1901. At 544 meters above sea level, Vista do Rei is an absolute must-stop during your vacation in the Azores. From here, you'll enjoy one of the most iconic views in the entire archipelago, the Sete Cidades crater with its stunning blue and green twin lakes. Explore these incredible viewpoints and discover why São Miguel is truly a paradise for nature and photography lovers. Visit AzoresGPS.com for more tips on what to see in the Azores, from beaches and waterfalls to hot springs and so much more. Through the website, you can also book unforgettable experiences, like an off-road tour around the volcano's crater, a sunset boat trip, or even a whale and dolphin watching tour. Take advantage of the discounts available on the website or on our social media channels. And to get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with someone who loves to travel. See you in the Azores!